Alright, today we are going to explore mixing of vinegar and baking soda. What do you think is going to happen? What's your prediction?
Hypothesis.
Prediction.
That it's going to make like a volcano and explode.
Why do you think that is?
Let's see, I've done it like multiple times.
That's not a scientific explanation.
Okay.
I think it will go like the. I know that vinegar and baking soda react.
Ooh, good word.
So I think it's like gonna make a big shoot, like it's gonna shoot out of the cup.
Oh. So we have white vinegar, a cup, placed in a pan to hopefully not make a mess, and baking soda. What do you think's going to happen with those things, Josiah?
Well, I know. Well, it's gonna react differently, pretty much, because like if you did water and baking soda, that don't do much things. But this is an acid. Yes, acid. And
So, what is your hypothesis? What variable should we change to see if there's a difference?
Maybe use salt and vinegar.
that pretty much is what that is.
No, it isn't.
Well, I mean, yes.
So, what's one thing we should change to get a different result, or maybe see if it's the same result?
Get a bigger cup.
Well, are we measuring how high it goes, or the
how
reaction?
The reaction.
How high it goes.
I think both.
Yeah.
Well, remember, in a scientific experiment, you only change one variable.
Reaction.
So are we going to,
Reaction.
we're going to monitor the reaction, okay? So right now we have vinegar and baking soda. What other thing do we want to, what do we want to replace, vinegar or baking soda?
Baking soda.
Then what would we use?
Salt or something.
No, but salt and vinegar. No, that just makes one
change.
We do have cornstarch.
Ooh.
Let's try cornstarch and vinegar instead of baking soda and vinegar.
Okay, but now we'll think about vinegar. What would we change vinegar to?
Nope, remember you only change one thing. So the vinegar is going to stay the same. You're going to change out baking soda for cornstarch.
I was saying options. Like we could either change the baking soda into cornstarch, or we can change the vinegar to something else. See? And then
I was gonna say juice.
it's just 30 days in corn.
Okay, so it looks like we're changing out the baking soda. All right, so first we need to work on filling out. We observed what are the things we have. And so we're going to mix these two and see what happens. And then we're going to ask a question about what we think will happen if we change out the baking soda. So Asha is pouring in a 1/4 cup of baking soda.
I don't know what will happen.
Bella is going to do a 1/4 cup of vinegar.
This will turn into something else.
Josiah's being a weirdo.
It's a YouTube video, first of all.
Asha's making a mess.
Hey. What was that?
So we're making them equal. They both are getting 1/4 of a cup. Asha, that looks like it's pretty good.
Dang, that looks solid.
Hold on.
There's some baking soda in there.
Okay. Stop.
This
Josiah.
is before.
All right. So Asha's going to pour in 1/4 cup of baking soda.
1/4 cup? Wow, that's
You want to level that out?
Okay. No, I don't have a job. Give me that. And then boom.
And Bella, go ahead and pour it in. See what happens.
Whoa!
Woo!
I was right.
What the heck?
Cool.
Oh.
Looks like toothpaste.
Oh, the smell.
You should mix it.
So yes, what does it smell like?
Bad.
It smells like nail polish to me.
What do you notice happening?
Then it's fizzing, and then when it came out,
Look at that.
it was.
There's only a little bit out. I think we need to go much, much more.
Now you need to write based on what this reaction was. What do you think is going to happen with cornstarch? So the question, you have to ask a question.
Wait, we have to.
Yep. So, all right, now we are going to attempt the same thing by changing the variable of cornstarch instead of baking soda. What question do you have?
I have what will happen when we mix it.
Okay.
I have what will it react?
How will it break?
No, it's not. Will.
How
That
will,
was how.
okay. So the next step in this is a prediction, which you didn't write down, but you can do that now. What do you predict is going to happen?
Well, I already have a prediction.
What do you
I
think?
didn't write it down.
What do you predict is going to happen?
I predict it's just gonna
What does that mean?
rise.
Okay.
I was gonna say erosion or a rise. but
What do you
that's
think's going to happen? Asha,
I don't
what do you think's going to happen when we mix the two?
I don't know.
Thinking about what we've already observed. So when we put vinegar with cornstarch, what do you think's going to happen?
That's gonna go higher than baking soda and vinegar.
Okay, so you think it's going to go higher.
I predicted it will go just fizzle, and then just come up to like here, and then just go back down.
So you think that it will have a smaller reaction.
Mhm.
Okay? So this time Josiah has decided to pour vinegar.
Oh.
Arabella is going to get a 1/4 cup of cornstarch.
Ah! I couldn't even open it. I'm such a wimp. Okay, don't wanna.
You're holding it sideways.
Okay, just like before, Bella, go ahead and put the cornstarch in.
Wow.
Oh shit! Stop!
I'm leveling it up.
Okay, guys, we put the cornstarch in, and I got it on my paper. Wow. Josiah's fails.
All right. So now, let's see what happens.
So scared. Oh wow! Look, it's just there.
So what happened?
Nothing.
Nothing.
It just turned into water.
Wait, look, guys. Come over here. You guys can see it's seeping down in.
Oh wait,
You're
move your
just
finger. Move your
destroying
finger.
it.
Move your finger.
What do you mean by destroying?
Oh,
it looks
it's
like it's
consuming.
yeah, it looks like
pretty
it's
much.
consuming or destroying.
Because it's an acid and it pretty much. I don't know. It's like
It's
a liquid
absorbing,
it's
not
liquid.
consuming.
and something dry. The dry.
Do you see any fizzing or bubbling?
Not a single one.
So it's completely flat.
This was a
What does it smell like?
nastiness. I don't care if that's not
Whoa.
a word.
What does it smell like?
Strong
Straight pickle juice.
acid.
It's straight, it smells like straight pickle juice. Smell it, Asha.
Bella is not. Wait, what the heck?
It smells like
You guys
an
later, I
acid
guess.
mixed with a
Oh, bye.
like a powder.
So why do you think the baking soda bubbled over, but the cornstarch did not?
Cornstarch is nasty.
That's not a scientific answer.
I don't care.
Because they are like they have different types of materials there's different types of materials that they use.
I knew it.
I think it's because baking soda and vinegar are kind of similar because they're both cooking materials.
You cook with cornstarch,
And vinegar.
so they're all similar.
I noticed something. It's oobleck now. On the bottom.
Well, oobleck is actually with water.
Well, look.
I mean, you can still eat it.
It's actually
Bake
oobleck.
it.
All right, so what after your prediction, what do you need to do?
Right, what happened?
It's on the back of the paper.
Oh my gosh. I really did mess it up.
So that concludes. We have learned. What have we learned?
Nothing. Okay,
That
cornstarch doesn't work with vinegar.
It works with, just not the same.
that
It's not
cornstarch doesn't react much with vinegar.
Cornstarch and vinegar do nothing.
What does baking soda do?
Baking soda and vinegar make an explosion, or like a volcano.
Hmm? All right, now we're gonna try less baking soda, more vinegar.
More nasty.
What do you think's gonna happen?
I think it's gonna be a bigger explosion.
Why? But we're using less baking soda.
I think it's the main ingredient to making it explode is the vinegar.
Why do you think that?
Because if you don't add the vinegar and you just have baking soda and water, it just does nothing. And when we did the cornstarch and vinegar, it did nothing. So maybe if we do them together, they'll have a bigger explosion this
I
time.
actually have like a perfect. Okay, go.
All right.
And we're doing this first.
Okay, we're apparently doing vinegar first.
Okay.
All right, let's see what happens.
Oh, it already starts. Yeet.
Woo!
Wow.
It didn't even come out of the cup.
I told you that. Okay, this time I was doing the whole thing. It was like.
It's growing again.
Yeah, I see that.
Interesting.
Now it's dizzy.
Reinforcements!
I'll see what happens if you add another one.
How about
Maybe
we
you
do?
put too much in it if you put another one.
What if you do more baking soda and less vinegar?
Ooh, it's still reacting.
Add some more vinegar.
Did it react less or more the second time?
Less.
Yeah.
Because it already withered and died.